Hello student, I am Dr. Santosh Kumar, Department of Botany. In this video for third year student with the title of double fertilization. The fusion of male gamete with the female gamete is known as the fertilization. Here double fertilization means the fusion of male gamete with the female gamete followed by the fusion of second male gamete with the polar nuclei is called double fertilization. Previously you are known about the structure of female gamete and male gamete. So the fusion of the first male gamete with the female gamete produce zygote which develops into the embryo. The fusion of second male gamete with the polar nucleus produce endosperm mother cell. The double fertilization occur in the embryo sac of ovule. It was discovered by Navasin in 1898. The double fertilization is the normal and regular fertilization of angiosperm. The double fertilization involved following steps. What are that? First, germination of pollen grain, growth of pollen tube, entry of the pollen tube into the ovule, pollen discharge, nuclear fusion in the embryo sac. Let's see one by one. First one is germination of pollen grain. The pollen grain are deposited on the stigma through the pollination. So you know that what is meant by pollination, the transfer of pollen grain into the stigma. The pollen grain germinate on the stigma by absorbing the stigmatic fluid. After the germination of pollen grain, it grows the pollen tube. That is the second step, growth of pollen tube. During the germination, the pollen grain produce pollen tube. Normally, one pollen tube develop from a pollen grain. So normally, it develop a single tube. The pollen grain which produce a single pollen tube is known as monospores pollen grain. The pollen grain which produce more than one pollen tube is known as polysiphonous pollen grain. The content of the pollen grain, namely vegetative cell, generative cell, migrates into the pollen tube. It migrates into the pollen tube. The pollen tube grow through the style. The tip region of the pollen tube is hemispherical and transparent nature. It has cap lock. When the pollen tube grow through the style, a series callose plugs are formed in the pollen tube to keep more cytoplasmic content in the tip of the pollen tube. The further growth of the pollen tubes depends on the nature of the style. The styles are classified into three types, namely open style, closed style, or off closed style. The third step is after the growth of pollen tube, the entry of the pollen tube into the ovule. Usually the pollen tubes enter ovule through the micropyle. The pollen tube enter the embryo sac at the apex of fully formed apparatus of the synergids. Based on the place of the entry of the pollen tubes into the ovule, the fertilization of three types. It is classified based on the place of the entry of the pollen tube into the ovule. That is progamy, chalosogamy, mesogamy. So what is mean progamy? the pollen tube enter the ovule through the microfile. This is the most common type. Example, Lilium plant. Chalosogamy, the pollen tube enter into the ovule at the callosal end of the ovule. You can see the Casuarina and Petula plant. Another type, Nosogamy, the pollen tube enter the ovule through the integument or otherwise called funicle. You can see the Cucurbita plant. These are the how the pollen tube enter the place where in ovule. After the enter of the pollen tube, the pollen is discharged. In the synergids, the tip of the pollen tube breaks and content of the pollen tube are discharged. The content include two male nuclei, the tube nucleus and cytoplasm. You can see the figure 30.2. So you can clearly know that the nuclear fusion after the discharge of pollen tube, the tube nucleus and the nucleus of synergids disintegrate to form a X bodies which stain dark due to the presence of DNA. So after that, the nuclear fusion is occur in the embryo sac. The two male nuclei or otherwise called sperms released by the pollen tube are involved in the fertilization. The one male nucleate fuses with the egg and other male gamete fuses with the polar nuclei. Thus there are two fertilization of egg and fertilization of polar nuclei. That's why it's called as a double fertilization. It is common in angiosperm. The first male gamete fuses with the egg and to form zygote. The fusion of male gamete with the egg called syncamy. The zygote develop into the embryo. The second male gamete fuses with the polar nuclei to form primary endosperm nucleus which is triploid. This involved fusion of three nuclei, so it is called triple fusion. This is about double fertilization. Thank you.